I just realized, gagabihin na naman ako ng todo-todo nito. So, hindi naman na mapag-grocery kasi malamang sarado na yung grocery para makabili ako ng yogurt, salt, and eggs. So, that will be my agenda. It is only 8 p.m. So, meron pa akong an hour before mag-close yung supermarket. So, I think I'll just go to the supermarket. Ang concern ko lang is mabigat siya considering magkukommute ako from Makati to QC. So, napapunta ako ng Glorieta 3 without even really thinking. Pero nasa isip ko kasi I'm gonna look for perfume. So, we're here. Kahit ang alam ko dapat mag-grocery na dapat ako. Di ko alam kung ba't nandito ako ngayon sa Glorieta 3. So, I'm gonna go to Zara na to look for perfume. Grabe, this is so funny. Pagpasok ko pa lang, girl, sumapak agad yung mga pabango nila. Tapos I remember, I stopped buying perfumes here. Kasi, ang atake agad me. Tapos parang feeling ko, magkakaamoy na silang lahat. Anyway. Okay na po ito.
Next in line.
Grabe, 8:46 na. So, I just bought perfume for Sarah and myself. Grabe, I don't know if I'm happy dun sa binili ko. Kasi floral notes siya. Tapos di ako ma-floral talaga, me. As in powdery, ganong vibes lang ako. So, we're at the grocery store and I need 3 items only. And I have to stick with that. Like, no more additional whatever. Is it raining kaya? Grabe. Because kailangan ko nang ilabas yung payong if it is. Anyway, now I'll try to find ACR. For success. Ang saya kasi hindi ako bothered how to go home. Kasi nga, my options are MRT and then the carousel. Tapos sobrang near lang dito. Like, I can walk. Unlike yung mga ibang pagpupuntahan mo, ang hirap sumakay pa uwi. That's why I like to go to Makati and SM North. Cubao po, estudyante.
Pwedeng adding in?
Girl, 10 pesos lang yung pamasahe ko. So fun. And then, mas mahal pa nga yung pamasahe ko na jeep na kasi 13 pesos. So, sana may jeep pa. Because yung tricycle, 50 girl. I can't. So now the question is, am I gonna stay here? Am I gonna go to Starbucks at doon tumambay at maki-CR? Or what? Gateway, please don't fail me. Sana bukas na yung CR. Oh my god, don't fail me. Siguro super daming tao. For the record, Gateway did not fail me. Choice kong umalis kasi magte-10 na. Tapos mawawala na yung jeep. Girl, di ko afford mag-try because it's 40 pesos and jeep is just 13. I can't. It's a very productive day, fairness. So let's see tomorrow what will happen. Bro, this is the saddest wala ng jeep. So, hindi ko, girl, lalakarin ko talaga to pag hindi, ay nako. I can't. Like, antuwan-tuwa na ako kasi 10 pesos lang yung pamasahe ko. Tapos mag-jeep ako ng 40 to 50 pesos. No. I'll walk pag itong jeep ko nakikita, hindi biyaheng krame. Girl, dahil sa sobrang mura nung pamasahe ko na 10 pesos sa MRT, hindi ko matatanggap kung magta-tricycle ako ng 40 pesos to 50 pesos dahil wala ng jeep. So, ang ginawa ko, nakisira ako sa Jollibee, tapos magpapahinga ng konti. Tapos ang ending, mag-Jollibee rin ako. I ordered 1-piece chicken with fries, and then Yum Burger, and another fries. And then I have Coke. So, all that gastos para lang di ako mag-tricycle. So, ginawa kong dahilan, makikisira ako, tapos magpapa-energize ako paglalakad. Tapos ang ending, mas nagastusan ako.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It doesn't make sense, but it makes sense for me. I'm so antok, and I just realized galing nga pala akong duty at di pa ako natutulog. Oh my goodness. Tapos baka ang ending mag-tricycle din ako kasi antok na ako. Oh my God, may choices in life. But no, pipilitin ko talaga mag-walk. Look at me from Makati to QC. 10 pesos lang yung pamasahe. Wait, sorry. I know, baka ilang beses ko nasabi yung cafe flex ko ng 10 pesos pamasahe. But it's so amazing. Despite the torrential rains. Tapos ang binala kong mag-walk, hindi na ulan. Amazing. Yung mga ganung bagay, ang dali ko na amazing. Like, thank you Lord ka talaga. Amazing.